Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to add backlink in this website step by step. So watch the full video. Firstly go to network.changemakers.com, then click on login, then click on sign up page. Then fill up everything, put your email address, put your name. You can put business name or website name. Put a strong password. Check those boxes. Check all the boxes. Click on sign up. Then send a verification email. So check your email. Click on verify email. Now your email is verified. Now click in the right side, image icon. Go to profile page. Edit profile. Now scroll down. Here you can add your website link. So copy your website link and paste it here. Scroll down. You can also add your linking profile link. This is my linking profile. You can also add your Facebook profile link. Now scroll down and click on submit. Here you can see the website link. If I click on the link, then it will redirect to my website. This way you can add backlink in this website. Thanks for watching the video. You'll find more backlink video in my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.